So, you're thinking about taking a cruise? Well, I can tell you from the different ports of call, all the food, all the fun, and everything in between. Oh my goodness. This right here is the reason why cruising is the best for our family. And I'm wondering if it might be for yours too. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, when I say I want to take a walk, that's the walk I want to be taking, right? When you are about to board a cruise ship, it is just the ultimate feeling that comes across your body. You go up to the top deck, you take in all the views and the smells and all the things, right? And then you're sailing away. The wind is blowing through your hair, and wherever you're leaving from, depending on, you go under this bridge, right? And when you clear it, that is, I'm on vacation now. That is that is the ultimate feeling. But so for me, right, no cooking, no cleaning. My entire family of four needs a break, right? So the fact that I do not have to think about if I'm making pizza, if I'm making chicken nuggets, if I'm making ribs, or hubby wants mashed potatoes, I want rice. It's just the whole thing, cooking four different things or three different things. Everything is right here, right? We can fine dine if we want, or oh my goodness, look at this. It's heaven. So everyone has their choice of things, although my 16-year-old is very picky, so I do have to pack peanut butter and jelly for her, right? And she is my pizza girl, but they both are, and they enjoy cruising so much. So I mentioned that Kara loves her PB&J. So this is what I pack: reusable bags, and I grab the bread during breakfast so that I can make her peanut butter and jelly sandwiches whenever she wants them, right? So there is a sensory issue with both of them, but I feel like more with my 16-year-old. They are both on the autism spectrum, so some things get a little bit challenging, but our navigating the seas is just what calms us all, right? If I'm being honest. And just the different ways that we can have dinner and have fun and just do all the things as a family, right? We are having conversations, and we're having those themed nights sometimes where some princesses are, talking to us, and we're just doing all the things and having all the fun. For us, that's a break. It's a break, and that's what it's all about. But remember, I mentioned cleaning to you, so they are in here twice a day, making the beds, vacuuming, cleaning the bathrooms, and doing all the things for us because this is our home. The Barbies come with us. They have their place, right? And, Kara brings her calendar from her bedroom. The same things we do at home, we do in this cruise cabin, right? So, we're able to go out on our patio and as if we were home, the deck, and relax. And let's not forget the built-in entertainment and fun. That is my Dare Girl, Miss Kara, right? And just all the shows and all the things that we can see on this cruise ship. I mean, come on, look at this theater. It's so nice. And even the opportunity to slide down right here is just, even mommy did it, right? Because that is fun. And we are all about having fun as a family. We even find time to hit the arcade. Sydney is my 20-year-old, and she absolutely loves basketball. So, whatever chance we get to do that, right? And Kara's having her fun. There's miniature golfing on the ship. It's just so much to do. And even when we're at and out our ports of call, right? They're calm and relaxed back on the ship. We're doing all the shows. Like, this is the entertainment that we all love. It's just, we're in this huge ship, right? And all these things, including a stowaway in the elevator, right, is providing entertainment for us. It's just the ultimate feeling. And when your favorite princesses walk down the staircase and wave to you, like the feeling that the girls get, that I get, right? Even hubby gets the feels, right? It's just so good. And the different ice shows that we're able to see, all things are just very calming. Even on the pool deck late at night, you can catch another movie if you wish, right? We're having a good time. And what fireworks at sea is insane to me. And it is just the perfect ending to a night. But we do need our calm moments that I've been talking about so far. The girls, especially Miss Cara girl, kind of struggles more with the sensory, and she needs that downtime. So, if we're walking through Central Park on an Oasis class of Royal Caribbean, it's just so breathtaking that we're able to have this scenery and just the calm moments in the pool and just kind of off to the side and enjoying their time. That is what makes hubby and I so happy, right? So even when we're out at the ports of call, it's just relaxing. Even for me, right? Mommy has to take a break too, right? But no matter whether we're, on the ship or off the ship, it's just a good time. And sometimes Miss Cara girl needs those hugs. She needs that deep pressure. And to get it from Mickey, oh my goodness, right? So even those calm moments, right, on our deck. But yeah, the fact that we are able to visit multiple places is a huge reason why we love cruising. I mean, it's not all about the ship, but sometimes it is. It doesn't matter for me where we go. I like it, but it's more of a cruise experience. I feel like we've never done the same cruise twice, right? And the girls have maybe been on about 6 cruises so far, but to be able to get off and say that you were here and doing all the things and eating the different foods in the Caribbean is a really good experience. And it's the best for us. We love it so much. Look at Miss Sydney girl, just having a good time. And it's the best. So we have to high five it, right? All the ships are in port and you're just having a good time. It's definitely, for us, it's more than worth it, if that makes any sense, right? These ships are so grand. I never feel like I am claustrophobic or it's too tight, it's too many people. It's never like that. I mean, it is just It's just perfect walking around. Sometimes I find myself in the hallway all by myself, and it's just the best thing. And lately, we have been celebrating us. Not that we need a reason to go on a cruise because we absolutely do not. But like this past January, we celebrated Kara's Sweet 16 on the Disney Wish. And why the Disney Wish? Because it was a nice getaway, right? A Friday to Monday cruise. It wasn't anything too lengthy, and it was perfect. Once I told them the reason why we were going, everything was just made perfect for her, right? All of the singing and the towel cake, that was so cute, right? And just all the things. It was perfect. And my birthday, my milestone, right? My 50th last year was celebrated on Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas in the Aqua Theater Suite. It was just the best time ever. So, with all of that being said, there is always a reason for us to just get away. And we do so many things as a family, but cruising is one of our faves. And as long as we are all together and we're all having a good time, it's the best thing ever. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.